thought I might try to do a loop with the new Jaguar Squier. Turn that way you can see the guitar a little bit better. And I've just got a couple of GoPros set up here. No really good miking scheme at all. Just going to set up a loop, play something in D probably. And I'm in rhythm top up here now. But I'll switch around a little bit. I'm using a deluxe sound on my GTX 100 with a moderate gain on it. Maybe go up just a little bit of volume. Let's try to hit a loop, see what I can do. This guitar plays fantastically. Now, I did a first impressions yesterday. I haven't played it a good bit last night. 24-inch scales I mentioned in my previous video, not the 25.75. I took my Jazzmaster, which has a 25.5-inch scale. Basically the same sort of guitar, different pickups, different wiring and everything. But this felt like I was playing a baritone after I played. I mean, it felt like the scale was very long. It's just the standard 25.5 that I've been playing. But when I start playing a 24, and I noticed there's a song I played called Barrel Housing, I think, or I can't remember. I've done several. I've got one blues song called So Blue I Hate Myself. Go watch that. And I'm playing, I think it's a 24-inch rate, a 24-inch scale length on my Duosonic, Squier Duosonic. And I'm just realizing how much more comfortable I am playing those short scale guitars. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's for the fact that I've played mandolin and stuff. Well, I'm used to playing shorter scale stuff. But wow, this guitar really sounds great and plays great. I've run it through a lot of different sounds on the GTX 100. I've not run it through the Helix yet. I think it's going to end up being one of my favorite guitars. The neck just feels fantastic. The tuners are, classic type tuners that stay in tune really well. I didn't even use the Vibe on that whole piece I just played there. And there were some bad notes. But all in all, from here to here, the fretboard plays great. I did oil that fretboard last night. It was very dry. I've done nothing else to this guitar other than tune it up and play it. I did take the plastic off the pick guards and off the vibrato, and there was plastic on here too. It's definitely going to show fingerprints a lot because it's black shining like this. I don't really care. I just got to say it plays fantastically. Pickups sound great, just about any configuration, anything I throw at it. I even like the little spanky versions of it. And the rhythm sounds really great. The rhythm when you pull it up here, it just darkens it up enough so that it really does work well for rhythm playing. I'm going to use it for leads too, though. I can unfatten that a little bit if I want to by doing that. I think it thickens it up, like, it darkens it even more. So I've been playing it with it fully forward. Is calling me, I better answer. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.